Hey there, are you tired of seeing all those Bitcoin millionaires on the news? Want to get in on that action? Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to show you the easiest and safest way to buy Bitcoin in just a few easy steps. So let's dive in. First things first, you need to find a Bitcoin exchange. I recommend using Coinbase because it's easy to use and it has a good reputation, and they made it through the bear market, and it's also a publicly traded company. So for this video, we'll be using them. So go ahead and set up an account. It's super easy, and even if you're not good with tech, it's information about yourself. I sure hope you know these things. Once you signed up, you'll need to connect your bank account so you can purchase Bitcoin. Again, if you can log into your bank, you can do this step. And yes, it's safe to connect, as you have to verify the transaction. Same as wiring money from a bank to another bank. Now don't worry, we all get a little frustrated with technology sometimes, so if you're having issues, I understand. There is no rush, as I'm sure if you're watching this, you're not trading it, you're actually investing in the narrative that Bitcoin will hit 100,000 one day, or maybe even 1 million. And yes, I do believe in the narrative that one day Bitcoin will hit $1 million. And I'll save that for another video, so come back and follow me if you're interested in how I get to my thesis and how I'm actually going to play this. I do invest long term, and I also trade, so it may be worth a listen as I am a seasoned investor in this area. Sweet. Alright, back on track. Now that you've connected your bank account, it's time to buy some Bitcoin. Make sure you don't spend your entire life savings on it though. We don't want you to become some sort of meme. I have a video on portfolio management if you're wondering how much to buy. If you're just getting started, I would say allocate 5% of your worth to Bitcoin and in 5 separate increments, so do 1% today. I'm not a financial advisor, but I have made a killing investing in 15 plus years, but I have no papers saying that I'm so smart and I can advise you on what you should do with your finances. Those decisions, you need to rely on yourself. Great, now that that's all clear, next you'll want to buy a Ledger Nano X to store your Bitcoin securely. Think of it like a digital piggy bank that you could hide. If you are investing, please do yourself this favor and get yourself a ledger. It's called a hardware wallet or a cold wallet. It locks up your Bitcoin or other crypto so that no one can tamper with it without physically having that device that you own. And don't worry, if you do lose that device, you don't lose your Bitcoin or your other crypto. But when you do set it up, you create a password that's called a key phrase. This you do not want to lose forever. So why do I need a ledger? Why don't I just leave it on the exchange? If you are trading and it's a small amount, I leave it on the exchange for that very reason, that I know it's going to be a short-term investment. Now investing, always take it off. Look at what happened to all the places like FTX, Celsius, and Voyager. Gone under and took all the people with the ship. Get a ledger. I promise the user experience is awesome, and get the X as its Wi-Fi and has an application where you can monitor your balance. It's very, very cool stuff. I use it all the time. Links in the description below. Setting up your Ledger Nano is easy. Just follow the instructions provided. It's like putting together a kitty Lego set, the big ones. I will also do a video on this if you wish to walk you through step by step to make sure your coins are safe and that you are happy with your decision that you have made. Finally, we need to take the Bitcoin from the exchange to your hardware wallet. You'll want to send your Bitcoin to your ledger. This will keep your Bitcoin safe from hackers and other pesky creatures that want it. It is like setting up a wire. There's a fee that you will pay, but if you sign up today with my links below, you'll get a discount that will cover this fee. Now, a good practice to do this is to always send a test amount prior to sending the bulk of it into your new wallet. This ensures that you did it right and you do not lose your funds. It's very simple. You just put in the address given, just like sending mail, except if you send it to the wrong address, it's gone. So do yourself a favor and test it. I've lost money this way in the beginning, and even when I was in the game for over a year, due to simple complacency. I always send a test amount, even if it costs me an extra $5. It's just safe. So if you saw this video all the way through, congratulations, you're now a Bitcoin owner, or if you're about to go do it, I congratulate you in the future for being a Bitcoin owner. And that's it. You now know how to buy Bitcoin and store it securely. Remember, investing in Bitcoin can be risky, so make sure you do your own research and invest wisely. Now, thanks for watching. Follow here, and I'll catch you on the next one.